Remikap ta achawi kamataya paubing. State Hiwi Caretaker Chief Minister Biren Singkala MLA Kalui Gahaya Biswajit Singh Ani Party Akoka Pingli Vasampanglui Hire. Ajagum Nagaland Otingli Indian Security Forces na Rijum Naut Hada Mati Kadali Kapkatat Maramli Special Investigation Team na Rirgakari Kupsang Hairachi. Japan with Prime Minister Fumio Kishida aya Delhi li Ungzang Hair. Like Hayangot Hor. Aj the Tangkhul Express with Pau Chungsangla Jajo ina pamidale. Pau bing may saina nganangumsa. State Hiwi Caretaker Chief Minister Biren Singkala MLA Kalui Gahaya Biswajit Singh Ani Party Akoka Pingli Vasampanglui Hire. State Sarkar ka Semaramli Ngasan Kawai National Capital Aya Ngayapung Jishatli Kazibra da Pau Sampanga. Biren Singh na Biswajit Singh Ani Akana Chief Minister Katherpam Kuilapai da Laidalai. Ani Khani Le Party we alungli CM Ngapam Wivang Mijang Kom Kangrok Malay Mana Kaji Rida Biswajit na Hanga Hai Lay. Itum na Thaipai, BJP li Otsa Karum Atamli, Yang Aka Biren Singh na Biswajit Singh na Party Jili Zangkarena. Election with Tili MLA Ping doing shit Queen Rock, High Lala, Shorkar Gatar, Masem Chowrang Gajihi, Parliament Session la Zathau la Holy Panit la Razang Highway Vang na Chia. Ka Aya Birene na Biswajit li Party Akoka Pingli, Sampang Kawai, Holui Haukada, CM Gatarwi, Maram Yarili Ajib Hong Milabaida, Hondale. Ajagum Nagaland with Otingli India with Security Forces na Rijum Naut Hada Mati Kadali Kapkatat Maramli Special Investigation Team na Rirgakari Kupsang Hairachi. Maramhi 13 Nagaland Legislative Assembly Session Kapamli Governor Jagdish Mukhina Kachishatna. Oting Otshot with SIT Atam Chada Zat the investigation Kupsang Haira the Governor Chinahanga. Ochot Chiwivang Nagaland Mangli Maningla State Ngadaday Dalila Malungkavat Makamaya Merlak Aina Pongshok Rock Haida the Governor Chinahangda Victim Pingwi Shimkurpingna Kanang Sifada Sontami Kawai Shokarna Sami Kabai Sami Haida the Governor Mukina Hanga. Oting Kalasaza Gahai Apumping Chili Reg Sang Takme Raranu the developmental projects Kwika Kawai Maramlila State Shokarna Centraling San Hairachi. Oting Otchochi Yang Sang the Clay Army with Court of Inquiry la Basangla Kupsang Haura the Governor Chinahanga. Japan with Prime Minister Fumio Kishida aya Delhi li Ungzang Hair. Ku Unghi PM Modi Ani Lansin Regsang Pongli Ngasan Kawai Kaungna. Japan with Foreign Minister la Sakasa Kishida na Shokar with Akokasa the India le Kaunghi na Kareng Saya. India and Japan diplomatic relations Haugapok we aina Zingum Hangshini Angusut Ungushung Saya Kaji Hangda. Japan and India have a special strategic and global partners na PM Kishida na Hang. Kishida Kaunghili Japan a $42 billion India li invest Sagi Kichila plan da Jishat Labaida Leia. India and Japan with PM Kanijin and Zeki Kaji Kamadaya Tupong Bingjia. Indo-Pacific Wimaram, Defense and Security, India and Japan, the Shoy Saghai, Reciprocal Provision of Supplies and Services Agreement Wimaram, Ag East Forum Wimaram, Itum that Haipai, 2017 submitly, India and Japan Ag East Forum Semra Kaji, Twitter Katana, India Japan Ag East Forum Hina, Northeast India Vak Developmental Projects Wipongli, Ngashik the Ot Saghai Kasem Kasana. Supply Chain Resilience Initiative with Maramnilang Sandra, Supply Chain Resilience Initiative India, Japan, Kala, Australia with Alungli, Lay Kalon Likazang, Supply Chains Matame Kawai Kasana. Itum the Thaipai, Japan, India, 3.5 trillion Japanese yen kada invest Sara the Rin Kasal, Lo Ungshung Gahaina Chia. India li Regasang. Ot mga tarakala Japan ling shik la kasada lay aruhon India li Japanese companies tinga shamati hang pangada pangakada laydale. Japan industrial townships la tarada akakada laydale. State BJP with Legislative Party kathana kakapangli yang sang mikawai BJP observers la aya imfali ungzang hair. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman Observer kala Law and Justice Minister Kiran Rijiju na co-observer sada BJP Legislative Kathana Kakapang Li Zangi Gachina Kathana Kapangka Highway Aina Shorkar Kathar Semhaugi Gachina Aya ajon thangwi alungli Russian forces na Ukraine with cities kala khung jishat kadali attack sahir Aya Ukraine with National Police na kahang richum now kapam dolan thumrada shini kala infrastructure facilities sagza mihair Russia na attack sa chili richum now taraka tisang hair chia Russian military na South Ukraine with military barracks lila attack sa da taraka tisang hair the AFP na paumi Zaporizhia city le attack kasali mijuko tisang hair tharade shini Sadzag high till Ukrainian military na punkt humrada jishat wivang curfew high delay the chiwi deputy mayor na hang Russian security kala military forces na Ukrainian pau me akli to kui hawa gaji paula shadale Ukraine with prosecutor general with office na kahang Russia with federal security service kala Russian military na Ukraine with pau me chili ajahon shock thang to kui high na chia Pau meji ariri kali lekhala mathai mana kala chiwiwang criminal investigation hapuk haire the hang. Lakawag European Union Russia with lekhalonli total Haimi House the Poland with Prime Minister na propose sahir. Russia ni Ukraine ni raita da kala hi ngasam ngasak sa jaka Moscow li sakhamai sanction kapar darkar sayada Poland with PM china hang. Ukraine shong humanitarian corridors tara haimira kuji Russia aina Mayang Rock higher the Ukraine with Deputy Prime Minister na hang. Corridor ji Russia na Merlag aina attack Sag High Mariupol kala capital Kyiv aina Luhansk apamni haimidale. Russian forces na singdak like Kherson city li humanitarian aid kwivami kwaila sadalaida Deputy Prime Minister china hang. Richum nauping raipa maina yamsho kwai humanitarian corridor salala. Chile Russia na attack sayada Ukraine hang. Chimang maning le Mariupol we arishang le kagazanaw kala ot kasanaw bing. Shamati kadali Russia shipaina tukner haidalaita Ukraine hang. Raihing sam kawai mukup makailak aina chan gazek kwika hausa kachihi President Volodymyr Zelensky na Moscow li poli hair. Raihi sava faka hili tag highland kashimanchi Russia we nautun nala mangatang kwirer marada Zelensky na hangmutin hair. India li ot yur kayor aman matai ka mersang da zadrag hai ka chang jishat hili retail inflation 6.07% matai ka haira kala wholesale man la 13.11% ka haira da shokar na data chithe Russia ni Ukraine li raita da khlai wi aina crude oil kala natural gas matai ka hai hinala ot yur man matai ka kawi maram sai Congress ka thana Rahul Gandhi na otman ka kawi maram li hangda India shokar na ari sa ka pai saplungra ka ja otman matai Kawa further the hang. Kantina kahang otman hen kakahi Russia, Ukraine rai mahapok rang laka aina zatrada kacham nao pingli merlak aina sazahir the shokarna yarili hiwe aina ngak mi plungra kajihi Rahul Kantina hang. Manipur li tharibam Southern Angami with Longre, Southern Angami Public Organization ban ngahot haira. Gizol sa pamwi aina Manipur shokar with armed personnel mukui tui Tua kala tharinga yadda khalai pamli Manipur Shokar and development activities kwikaha with the Southern Angami Public Organization Chinahang. Manipur Shokar na gasaji Den Yimi Public Organization with resolution li matung makanda kasana da long Chinahang. Banji ajawi akama aina hapok da tarik makada gutumthang aina tangda savara kala chili Southern Angami pa Manipur aina Nagaland kashokazang kamgi kachik sana. Let Lushid the Ajawi Kamadaya Paubing. State with caretaker Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Kala MLA Kalwi Haya Biswajit Singh Ani Party Akoka Pingli Vasampangli Hire. Ajagum Nagaland Otingli Indian Security Forces na Rijum Naut Hada Mati Kadali Kapkatat Maramli Special Investigation Team na Rirgakari Kupsang Hairachi. Japan with Prime Minister Fumio Kishida aya Delhi li ungzang haira. Aji wi pau hian nga chang haira nga nadakla indum zai korali khama haya zimik sho nga sa serano.